Hello, my name is Michael Niemas and I'm a model builder from Germany. I want to show you this 1:8 scale Rolls Royce from 1905. This was a 3-cylinder with around about 15 horsepower, and I had this stunning model in my workshop for the last few days. So it took me a lot of hours to do a full restoration and inspection of this model, which has a lot of functions, which is really incredible. So the materials used were metal, wood, glass, leather, cloth, rubber, and many more. And I will do a longer video soon with all of these features. You will be amazed, and I'm sure you will love it. So stay tuned on my channel and I will post the video in a few days. And here are a few views of this model, which is quite big and heavy and which has a lot of really nice functions like working brakes, clutch, steering, and much more. Stay tuned. Bye.